Okay, hello dear friends. I am about to leave the apartment. Oh, quite an experience. And it was good. Maybe we can try this. The new color I bought. This is before. Okay, we will try this color. How about it? And this is before. I bought it in this trip. And I always like these tinted lips. So, do I look good? Okay, with one hand, it may be not so easy to open up. Surprise! Look at the color. Oh, almost no color. Let's see. I didn't wear glasses, so I cannot see. Okay, let's see. I like the feel that it does not feel a layer of extra color. So it does not feel a layer of extra color. It's just very thin and a bit oily and not the unpleasant oil. It's the smooth. And this is the after. I like it. It's very, very comfortable, at least. Goodbye, bye. Going to another journey. It will be a surprise. We will see. I am looking forward.